Hello everyone, Nancy here. Welcome to another episode of TBL in my kitchen, and in this episode we're going to be making chocolate whipped cream frosting. That's right friends, chocolate whipped cream frosting with Hershey's cocoa. And I'm picky when it comes to cakes and frosting. I don't like it super sweet, so I'm gonna make my own. I recently baked my 2 chocolate cakes. These are the ingredients for this fabulous chocolate whipped cream frosting. Okay, need 1.5 cups of whipping cream, 1.25 cups of powdered sugar, 1/3 of a cup of cocoa powder. I like Hershey's, you can use whichever one you like. And last but not least, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And my vanilla is imported from Mexico. I am going to start by cutting up these chocolate cakes, and I put them in the fridge. This is one of the chocolate cakes. Can you smell it? Right? Here we go. So let's cut the cakes, shall we? So that way we can fill them and decorate it, and most of all, eat this fabulous chocolate cake. So here we are, and it is 10:30 at night, friends. You know when you just have that late night snack attack? And you just want a piece of a delicious chocolate cake? Me too. Me too. So let's continue making this fabulous 10:30 at night chocolate cake, shall we? I'm gonna use my handy dandy. You're probably asking, what is that, right? This is a cake cutter. This is a cake cutter, and here's the contraption. You move this up and down, and then that gives you the thickness of the layer of the cake that you want. You can also use a knife, but sometimes I am not so accurate with the knife when it comes to cutting cakes. And I like this one. This is gonna be my final plate. And friends, if you cover it with aluminum foil, you don't even have to wash the dish. I also bought just some plain old cream cheese frosting, even though I'm gonna make my own whipped cream frosting for the middle. Bill loves frosting. So I am wearing white and I'm making chocolate cakes, so let's go ahead and wear an apron. And what better than a TBL apron, right? There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Now we can pretend that we actually go make something. Let's make it taller. I want to have 2 layers of frosting. One that is going to be the cream cheese and one that's going to be chocolate. That's right. See what I mean with the cake cutter? It makes even layers. That is the best part. And even just the chocolate cake is delicious. I'm going to make a quick, simple syrup just to brush the cake. This is the secret to make sure that your cake doesn't dry out. Part sugar to 1 part water. I'm gonna use half and half a cup of sugar and half a cup of water. And this is going to be an adult chocolate cake. So I'm going to add onto my simple syrup some Bailey's Irish Cream and some Kahlua for the simple syrup. And I'm just going to have a 1/4 cup of water here, and the other 1/4 cup I'm gonna put half Kahlua and half of the Bailey's. For those of you that don't know, Kahlua is a coffee liqueur, so it gives the chocolate cake that nutty flavor and adds amazing flavor. Jesus! No pain, no gain, right? Oh my god. As you can tell, I haven't opened this in a while. And this has a lot of sugar. It's the Irish cream, but it's going to give it such a delicious flavor. Add it onto my pan with the sugar. And now I'm just going to boil this for about 5 to 10 minutes just to make sure that my sugar is dissolved, and we'll continue. All right, it's done. Oh, this simple syrup, it smells like hazelnuts with a touch of roasted coffee. Even the sink is hungry. We're just gonna pop it in the fridge just for a few minutes so it's not so hot. In the meantime, let's go ahead and make the frosting. Preferably preventing freezer avalanches. I've had my bowl in there for a bit, chilling. Use 1.5 cups of our whipping cream and 1.25 cups of powdered sugar. Let's start with our powdered sugar. Here's 1. 1.25 and 1.5 of our heavy whipping cream. That's 1.5. Our 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Oh my god. The struggle is real. And now, a 1/3 cup of our cocoa powder. There we go. Let's follow the simple syrup. Kahlua. And 1 of these Bailey's Irish Cream. Put these in first before you plug it in. Let's just whip it until it's nice and fluffy. This is unbelievable. Alright, I have my piping bags ready, and I'm just gonna put the whipped cream and the frosting in them so we can decorate our cake. As you can see, it is easier to put your piping bag into a glass to fill it up. And you can just use any brush and brush this deliciousness onto the layers of the cake. Now we have a layer of vanilla. Chocolate. And let's do the strawberries. Here you go, friends. This is my idea of a chocolate cake. And the fresh strawberries just make it more amazing. The slice is gonna be epic. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. And while you're here, go ahead and hit the like button. It is delicious. And the whipped cream, it's super chocolatey. Thank you for joining me on this episode of TBL in my kitchen. I have been your host, and we'll see you on the next one.